As we have the application open, what we have to do is perform few clicks and operations to convert the Word files which are available with us to PDF. For that, I can go to activities and drag sequence. Here's the sequence. If I open that, here is the application. I have to do few operations. Let me click on this select Word files button. To do that, I will use click activity. Here's a click activity. I'll try to indicate it on the screen. Indicated it. So this is select Word file activity. There are a lot of properties associated with it. As you can see, let's rename this particular thing. Click select Word file. Saving that. So we have renamed it so that it's more readable to a human. Now it is saying click type. What is the click type? We have to single click on that or double click on that and all that. Okay, the target, it will include the selector as we have discussed earlier. The timeout, till what time it has to wait. The default is 30 seconds. You can change it according to your demand. Okay, you can put it as 10 seconds or 20 seconds or so. Okay, this we are leaving it as default for right now. Then we have different types of clicks. These are used for background clicks. Okay, if this screen is not available on the screen on the topper layer, okay, you can use these things, and you can introduce a delay after, a delay before. So we are leaving everything to its default. We have the click activity here, and then next. Okay, next what we have to do is once we click on this, the screen appears to us. So next we have to type the particular file name. Okay, particular file name we have to enter. Let's go back to this and take the path of one file. Shift right click and we have the path. Let me go to this. Here we are not going to click, we are going to type into something. Okay, use type into activity and indicate on the screen. The application is in the background, so F2 to pause the selection, and after 3 seconds I can do it again. I'm clicking on this, so whatever path that I have selected earlier, I'm pasting it over here. Okay, so this has to type this particular file name over there, over where, here. Okay, once that is done, we have to click on open. For that, sorry, we have to use a click activity. Let's give a name to it, more readable name. Type into Word file path. Okay, then click what? We have to go to here, we have to click on open, so that it will open that particular file. Okay, now what we'll do, it is we will just, as I'm doing, as it will be done through the bot. Okay, it will type this particular path here, it will click on open. So next what? Next thing that we have to provide is we have to provide the destination folder. Destination folder for us is PDF files. Okay, copy this path and then in application we have to paste it, right? So similarly we have done type into. I will take another type into and indicate it to this path, and whatever PDF files path we have, I will just copy it here. I have to use double quotes here. Okay, that's done. Let's give it a good name. Type into PDF folder path. Okay, so right now we have selected this, we have provided the destination folder. So next, what we have to do is we have to click on this particular convert button. To click on that, we can use click activity again, indicate on screen convert. So we have indicated convert here. Let's rename that click on convert button. Save it. So if I do that right now, okay, if I just click on convert, something is turning into completed. Okay, we have to be waiting till something turns out into completed. For that, what I can do is to create that dynamic wait, I can use element exist. I can drag this thing and I can click on indicate screen and indicate this particular completed thing. That's done, right? What we are waiting for? We are waiting for the completed. I'm saving that, but let's see the selector of that. So there is a control called status, okay, and every other property of it. But is there anything that we have related to completed? If I just go to this particular thing and open UI Explorer to investigate the selector that we were looking at, okay, I'm just opening this and I'm trying to indicate this completed status. So we have status, control name status, and let me select some other thing. It's status right now, not completed. I indicate it again. It's again status. There is no difference between the one that was available before the completion and after the completion. So for that, what we can do is, okay, if I just click on complete again, a convert, so it's completed. Let me spy it again. So if I just look at it, there's no uniqueness in this. So if I just add a name, it is completed right now. So this should be our expected selector. Okay, just go to this and paste your selector right here, and okay. So sometimes you have to be using UI Explorer to fine-tune your selectors. Okay, just place a message box right here to say, indicate when something is completed. I'm just placing done. Okay, we have created a file. I'm deleting it. Okay, and let me run this thing once again. I'm just closing everything available on the screen. Trying to run this once. This is the input as expected, and it will take few seconds to replace the template with the necessary details. So it has opened the application. It is entering the details of David. It has given the output file path. It has clicked on convert. See, it has waited till it is turned to green color and then it is showing us done. So this is how we actually convert. We are converting the files of Word type to PDF. Okay. So what happens is here we were able to convert only one Word file, which is David, to this. But this is not our expected thing. We are supposed to convert all these available Word files into PDF. Cool. Let's see how to do that using UiPath. How to pass the dynamic files present in a folder in the next lecture.